in the same order. Mr. Magala Umar, please introduce yourself and tell us about your agenda summary. Mr. Magala. Mr. Magala, the mic is just 2 minutes. What did the
the service provider in the
Good morning, everyone. My name is Magala Umar. I am a teacher by profession. I am a resident of Kawempe Mbogo. Like I said, I'm a teacher by profession. I hold a bachelor's degree in education from Makerere University. I am a member of the National Unity Platform, card number 1939. I think that will do for the introduction first. Magala Umar has this on agenda. Top on the agenda is fighting for the fundamental freedoms of rights of man and citizen. Secondly, on our agenda is to demand for accountability from the military regime that has ruled our country for the last 40 years. You know very well that the health sector is sick. We are going to put them on test. We want to use this opportunity to express ourselves in form of a protest vote in the year 2025 in Kawempe Division North. The other issue is empowering our people, the common people, the ghetto people of Kawempe. 10 seconds. Yeah, empowering our people. How do we empower our people? Just getting the little pay, getting part of the little pay we have, and at least giving our people some startup capital, especially the mothers, especially the marginalized groups. Your time is up. Thank you very much. Thank you. People come.
Mr. Mulumba Matthias, you're going to be next.
Thank you, Madam. My name is Mulumba Matthias. Outside there, Chikumichandola. I am the chairman, LC1, the only chairman in this by-election campaign. And I'm going to represent Uganda in that manner, because I'm going to represent the chairman in the whole of the country. I'm a Mutongole of Sabasanja in my zone, Kawempe Corner zone, in Kazo, Angola, where I'm a resident. I'm a member of the National Unity Platform, holding number 03004096. Being a chairman of LC1 is not a joking subject other people might think, because it has helped me to interact with the different people. So in that way, since I'm given little time, I would like you, Madam, to give you my document where I've summarized most of the things which I cannot do here. Handle it. So, I have summarized my program in only 5 letters. JHA, people are lacking jobs and people are very poor. H stands for heresy. Because I'm staying in a ghetto area, there's a lot of disease which comes through that kind of situation where we live. So I'm going to make sure that drugs in hospitals are there and expired drugs should not be there. Then also accountability.
Mr. Mulumba, you might want to read them as bullet points.
Yes. So I've been finding a problem in my area and in Kawempe division, actually the headquarters of Kawempe division, where councillors are fighting with mayors. I'm going to make sure that that kind of division is erased.
Thank you very much.
My friend, I'm sorry, Mr. Moderator.
10 seconds.
Term limits is top on my agenda.
Okay.
I'm really disturbed that Uganda, among the East African countries, is the only country which doesn't have term limits. You have to remove the dictatorship of this President Museveni by restoring term limits in our constitution.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The next candidate to introduce themselves is Mr. Serafo Moses.
I'm going to be very brief. The first one is about health sector. I'm going to construct one health center, and also I donate one ambulance for my people. Another one, and then about education, I've already introduced about education. I've already introduced Moses bursaries for the orphans. Even the orphans of the late Honorable Segirinya, you bring them and go to educate them. Then another is about your population. I've already introduced Moses Boxy, President Naba, thank you, sir. Let me be brief. Because of the time, let me stop from there. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Chair. I'm Frederick Kachika. I say at Chebando. I'm the one of the mobilizer in any of my electoral area. Chebando Parish. So moderator, first and foremost, if I elected as a member of parliament, I will begin with build a hospital in my constituency. Well, the problem we have one health center, one hospital, one health center, one hospital in Kawempe. People, so many people suffocating. So, before I elected as a member of parliament, I will start with that. The second one, I provide a mother's kit. Every pregnant mother, and not only that, I will add 200,000. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Let's be silent, please. Let's be silent, please. Let's hear from. Please, let's observe some silence. Let's hear from Dr. Charles Rubagumya. Dr. Charles Rubagumya.
Thank you very much, Mr. Moderator. First and foremost, I would like to recognize my president, I mean His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. I know that we won, but we are cheated. First, it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Dr. Charles Lubalemya. I have doctorate in organizational leadership and administration. And I work with Apostolic Intercultural University. We are located in Ono as academic registrar. About my manifesto, ladies and gentlemen, I have not come here to excite the people of Kawempe responsibilities, that I will give them fast and heavy. Because I know that all resources are in the hands of a dictator. I know that all powers are in the hands of a dictator. So, the only thing which I can promise to the people of Kawempe constituency is to join my president, I mean His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, that's Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, to join the struggle of removing the dictatorial regime of President Museveni. And I want to prove to you that the dictatorial regime has been removed. It has ever been practiced in France. You know, French Revolution of 1789 to 1794. The people protested the autocratic regime of King Louis XVI. And they removed him. Ladies and gentlemen, we can remove this dictatorial regime using the power of the people.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
The next is Engineer Simple Kenneth.
Thank you. I was the simple ghetto youth, desires and fantasies, hopes and wishes to ride in Benzes in a circle, like I want to be like a superstar. The ghetto one is a superstar, and I'm glad to be here. I'm by the names of Sekou Kenneth, Bachelor of Science, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Makerere University, a postgraduate in Construction Project Management, still from Makerere University. I've been a seasoned electrical engineer with over 15 years of experience in trying to distribute electricity all over Uganda. I've left the comforts of the offices, the cups of coffee, the buffets, the pizzas, and decided to come and serve the people of Kawempe North. I'm glad to be here that I'm a registered member of the National Unity Platform. I'm glad to have my president as His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu, and I'm here to stay. I want to thank Nup as our party for giving us this opportunity to come and discuss what we're able to do for the people of Kawempe North. Among the core duties of the Member of Parliament, like legislation, oversight, representation, budget approval, I, as Engineer Sekou Kenneth, I'm going to try to make sure that everybody in Kawempe North, you are connected to the national grid. I'll bring my expertise that you get your materials, I'll get you the wire man and also the certificate. Everybody should have electricity. Tugenda gobenzikiza mu Kawempe North buli omu ogenda kufuna amasanyalaze. 2. Abantu bagala kulala nnyo. Just a moment. I'm going to be able to give mama kits to every pregnant woman in Kawempe, and also a 6 kg gas cylinder to every member, to every household in Kawempe North. I'm here to stay. Nup everywhere, people power. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Next, it's going to be Council Yimba's Elias Malcolm.
Mr. President, and your formidable team of leaders, dear my fellow contenders, I thank you. I'm so grateful to be here with you. My name is Luyimbazi Elias Nalukoola. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Uganda and all courts of judicature. When I assume the seat of a member of parliament, I will tell you the obvious first. The constitutional commandment under Article 79 provides to the effect that a member of parliament is supposed to legislate. I will legislate, ladies and gentlemen. I will supervise activities of the central government in my constituency. I will further my activities of fighting for justice and human rights. I will inspire the youth. I'm aware that the youth in Kawempe North constituency are the majority, but many of them are not only unemployed but unemployable. Their talents and nurture them. We have already embarked on that. I believe I will be able to fight and call upon all the younger people to join the struggle for good governance. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for listening to me.
Mr. Sarunguma Salim. Thank you, Mr. President, and the Cabinet. Let's listen to him, please. Our electoral committee, all members of National Unity Platform. My name is Sarunguma Salim, Mafumafu, son of Kawempe North. I'm a businessman, I'm on a cabinet, business community, as a financial advisor. I seek mandate, Mr. President, to represent my constituents as a member of parliament. Mr. President, I promise you, this by-election is going to turn us a roadway to end Museveni's regime. And I promise you, I always follow the core value of National Unity Platform. And again, I promise you, and the people of Kawempe and Uganda in general, I'm going to advocate for the people all the time. Thank you. I'm God, Mr. Sarunguma Salim, Kawempe North. I always be obedient to National Unity Platform. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Dr. Julie.
Next is Mr. Lubalemya Luswa Muhammad.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President is present, and all protocol observed for the interest of time. Mr. President, I want to thank you for coming up with this organization for the first ever debate organized by the young political party. It's such an inspiration. Your Excellency and members of the National Unity Platform, my name is Lubalemya Luswa Muhammad, former political assistant to the late Honorable Muhammad Sengirinya. Your Excellency, it will be quite unfair if we proceed without getting a moment of silence to praise this man, Honorable Muhammad Sekirinya, for whatever he did for this political party. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to borrow from my little time. I have been given little time, but let's observe a moment of silence to pay respect in this great man, Honorable Sekirinya. Today we are here today because of this great man. I've seen my brother here saying he's going to donate Seki box, he's going to do what? Because of the Honorable Muhammad Sekirinya. Your Excellency, please join me and we observe a moment of silence to pay respect in the Honorable Muhammad Sekirinya. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You can take your seats. Your Excellency, I want to put this very clear. I am a member of National Unity Platform. I don't belong to DA, I don't belong to NRM, I am a member of National Unity Platform. Your Excellency, as I conclude, Your Excellency, I am going in Parliament not to speak good English. I am going in Parliament to act. What the people of Kawempe North need is service delivery. I am going to continue with those projects, the Seki box, the ambulances, and also to empower the young people through our different projects. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.